patrol doesn't come around and come back after me. I couldn't keep this thing from kicking out as I came around the corner in front of them. But anyways, we're going to jump on the highway here. It is a very bumpy uphill. That's fourth gear, so it's kind of lugging a little bit. But yeah, this thing's almost got too much power for its own good, but it is a blast to drive. We're going to give it a third gear pull in this tight corner. Gets up and boogies pretty good. There's fourth gear. And we're actually going straight into the wind. It's only medium today, so 15-20 mile an hour, but enough to put an extra load on the Yeah, air fuel curves have done really well with the standalone, and this year we mounted the ECU up underneath the heater control there. There's a bracket for it in this 86. Let's see if I can shift gears and run them a little bit. Oh, yeah. It just wants to kick out the rear end, so kind of blipped it twice coming around that corner and just kicked her sideways right next to a highway patrol. But luckily, I think you could tell the road was, a little sandy, a little wet, so yeah, Jose, the transporter out of Denver, is going to pick this up as soon as he gets an opening and the weather isn't horrendous, and he'll bring this out to Arizona for Brendan. Now wheel hopping in and burning them. I was telling him, I was like, that AC, the owner of this, Brendan is his name, like that AC Cobra is just, it's like a goat cart for little kids. This thing is a lot of fun. It is a blast to drive this. I'm actually going to miss having this one around to put around it, but I think he's going to be thrilled when he gets it back. Might actually have to jump out and kick into four-wheel drive. So I have the slipperiest road in this whole city. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm up on top of a very windswept hill, and we get it from all directions through the day. You'll hear the wind coming out of the north, and then the south, and east and west, and then a lot of big trucks come into the yard and cross the street from me, so they just pack it down. Really hoping this road melts off just so I can get the Cobra out and dial in the fuel curves a little bit. I think same as this one, I'm just going to have to throw some bigger injectors into it. And I've got a couple of ECUs that I might play around with. Those roller cams require a quicker response to the fuel curve. And you'll see them when they finally, up in the upper part, say, okay, open them up. And then they watch those air fuel curves drop down to ideal, and then they just pull like a freight train. Yeah, there's my flatbed truck I call Animal, and I've got some Heim joints coming from Rough Stuff because that sucker just wants to axle wrap on me. But we'll get her pulled in, change oil, basically give them the green light for transporter, but I think he's going to be very thrilled about this. This is such a cool, fun thing to drive.